This problem was part of the past question. In this problem, we have to find center of mass of L-shaped object, as shown in figure. Let's find out. Here we do differently than what you might see in textbook, but perfectly legitimate way. We reduce each bar to point mass at center of each respective bar. We then project the position of two-point mass to x-axis. Since we have identical bar, the point mass is of the same weight. The x part of center of mass is center of these two-point masses, which is shown as cross in burgundy color, and the distance from origin is L by 2 plus L by 4 along x-axis. We do the same for finding the y part of center of mass. Let us get rid of stuff for x-axis. The good thing about vector is x part of center of mass has nothing to do with y part of the center of mass. Let us come back to getting y part of center of mass. Here we take the projection again, but this time on y-axis. The y part of center of mass is between these two projected point mass, which is again shown as cross in burgundy color, and the distance from origin is L by 2 plus L by 4. Lo and behold, we got the x and y part of center of mass, which is the answer. I hope you have become smart and will apply such shortcuts. This ends the video.